for the storm. But I told her, I said, if you like it, I love it. But if you want to be a stupid bitch, you on your own with that one. When she hit the fan, don't call me. Call motherfucking Tyrone, bitch, because I'm not the one. So we have a diverse group of friends, and 2 weeks ago we had a Halloween party and she ended up bringing him. Everybody was giving his ass a side eye the whole entire time he was there because don't nobody really fuck with him for real. Reason being, a couple of years ago, we were all hanging out and we have a Panamanian friend. He ended up making a joke using a racial slur towards her. And didn't nobody find that shit to be funny, so we checked his ass. So my friends started making excuses for him, talking about, oh, he was just joking. He ain't mean it like that. Y'all too sensitive. Y'all need to get out y'all feelings. So we was just like, bitch, he just offended your friend. You need to make that nigga apologize. But he was doubling down. He ain't give a fuck. He meant what the fuck he said. And that's why we don't fuck with him and don't want him around. But apparently she can't respect boundaries. So we called a friends meeting. So we all hop on a FaceTime call. And we basically broke it down to her and told her, like, listen, if you gon' choose to be with this man, that means that you're in alliance and in agreement with his thoughts and views, and that's some shit that we just can't get jiggy with. Nor do we want to hear your grievances when he fucks you over again, because clearly you ain't learned your lesson the first time. It's been a minute now. She ain't reached out to us and we ain't reached out to her, but she's still on Facebook, posting pictures talking about Bonnie and Clyde, second time around is always better. She was also making shady subliminal posts too, talking about, I don't need nobody to have my back. All I need is me, myself, and I. And if you don't fuck with me because of who I choose to date, then you was ever my friend to begin with, and God know my heart, girl. So I decided to block her, but before I blocked her, I DM'd her and told her this. I'm gonna just read it to you verbatim. We've been through so much together, and that's why this situation is so tough. Our friendship has weathered many storms, but this time it feels different. I've always valued honesty, mutual respect, and I feel a non-negotiable line has been crossed. Have you ever heard of the saying that if you lay down with dogs, you'll get fleas? I've noticed patterns in your relationship that concern me deeply, especially seeing how your partner has treated you and others. It's hard to watch you go through this again when I care so much about your well-being. I've already grieved the loss of this friendship and accepted the new reality. I wish you nothing but happiness. Hope you receive everything your man has promised